आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, today question is the foci of an ellipse are, yes, they are given s point equal to 3 comma 1 and s dash is equal to 11 comma 5. The normal at p is they given x plus 2y minus 15 equal to 0. Then the point p we have to going to find. So from this option we have to find the which answer is correct. Okay, so let's move to the answer. First I'm going to draw the diagram here. Okay, so this is the x and y axis here. Okay, so this is the x and y axis and this is the ellipse here and this is the ellipse. Okay, students, and this point is y axis, this point is x axis. Okay, so this point is 0. Okay, students, and the normal is drawn and the normal line is drawn in the ellipse which is cut at the point P. Okay, so which is cut at the point P where I'm going to take x1 comma y1. I'm going to take x1 comma y1 and the equation of the normal line is equal to x plus 2y minus 15 equal to 0 and the foci they are given. So this one is s point I'm going to take as 3 comma 1. Okay, so and this point is s dash which is equal to 11 comma 5. Okay, so this is the given condition. Okay, so let's move to the answer. First, the distance between foci. Okay, so the distance between foci formula s dash equal to 2ae. Okay, student, and the next the 2ae value equal to I'm going to turn as, okay, students, I'm going to turn as root of 11 minus 3 the whole square, 11 minus 3 the whole square plus 5 minus 1 the whole square, 5 minus 1 the whole square. Okay, so therefore the value here is, so 11 minus 3 8 square plus 5 minus 1 equal to 4 square whole value, so equal to 8 square 64 plus 16 root value, so equal to total 80. So 80 value equal to 4 root 5. Here 2 is there, so I'm going to cancel this one. 2 equal to 2, therefore therefore AE equal to root 5. Okay, so AE equal to 2 root 5. Next, we know that a square e square equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so therefore I'm going to substitute the value. So a square e square value I'm going to substitute here. So 2 square into root 5 square which is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so 2 square 4 and root 5 square equal to 5. So 4 5s are 20. So 20 equal to a square minus b square value. And I'm going to find the b square value here. Okay, so therefore b square value equal to a square minus 20. So this is the b square value here. Okay, so next I'm going to find the equation of normal to ellipse. Equation of normal to ellipse I'm going to find here. Okay, so the equation of normal to ellipse, the general formula equal to a square x1, sorry, a square x divided by x1 minus b square y by y1 which is equal to a square b square. So this is the formula. I'm going to substitute the b square value here and a minus b the value here. So a square x divided by x1 minus b square value equal to a square minus 20. Here minus value is there. Y divided by y1 equal to a square minus b square value equal to 20 here. So I'm going to take this equation number 1 and next the given normal equation equal to x plus 2y equal to 15, right? So I'm going to equate this here. So x plus 2y equal to 15. So I'm going to take this one as second equation. Okay, so now I'm going to compare both the equations with the x coefficient value. Okay, so therefore x coefficient value I'm going to compare here. So it will become a square by x1 equal to 20 minus a square because it is minus value. So if it is minus, I'm going to take inside. So it will be 20 minus a square by y1, and here this value 2 is there, which is equal to here 20 divided by 15. 20 divided by 15. Okay, students, I'm going to equate each and individual term here. Okay, students, therefore a square by x1 equal to 20 divided by 15. So I'm going to solve this equation by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. So 4 by 3 here. Okay, students. So this one is 4, right? So I'm going to write it clearly. So this one is 4 by 3 here. Now I'm going to multiply this x1 to the right hand side. So a square value equal to 4x1 divided by 3. So this is the a square value, and I'm going to solve this value here. So 20 minus a square divided by 2y1 equal to, say, same 20 by 15 I'm going to written as 4 by 3 here. So I'm going to take this denominator to the right hand side. So 20 minus a square equal to 8y1 divided by 3 here. Okay, students, and this 20 I'm going to take to the right hand side. So a square value, right? So a square value equal to 20 minus 8y1 divided by 3. We already found that a square value here. So I'm going to substitute here. So a square value equal to 4x1 divided by 3, which is equal to 20 minus 8y divided by 3. Okay, students, so I'm going to take LCM here. So 4x1 equal to 60 minus 8y1. Okay, students, 8y1, and this did all the values are denominated 3, right? So I'm going to cancel this one, and I'm going to take this 8 value to the right hand side, y value. So 4x1 plus 8y1 equal to 60. I'm going to take 4 commonly outside on both sides, so it will become x1 plus 2y1 equal to 15. Okay, so therefore the final equation is x1 plus 2y1 equal to 15. So this is the equation. Okay, so next, then the point P, I'm going to check whether this condition, which point is P point. Okay, so therefore first I'm going to take the first point 17 comma 1. Okay, so first I'm going to take on here. So first I'm going to take on, so A point. So 17 comma 1. Say if this value is x and y, right? So I'm going to substitute here. So 17 plus 2 into 1 equal to 15. Okay, so therefore 17 plus 2 equal to 19 equal to 15. So this one is not true. So I'm going to take this B point. So B point equal to minus 17 minus 1. So minus 17 comma minus 1. So if I substitute here in this equation, minus 17 plus 2 into minus 1, which is equal to 15. So it is equal to 19 equal to 15. So this is also not true. Now we're going to take the C option here. So the C option is minus 17 plus 1. So minus 17 plus 1. So minus 17 plus 2, which is equal to 15. So equal to minus 15 equal to plus 15. So it is not also correct. Next, I'm going to check the D option here. So the D option here is 17 comma minus 1. 17 comma minus 1. So if I substitute here, so 17 plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 15. So 17 minus 2 equal to 15 equal to 15. Okay, so this option is correct. Therefore the point P is 17 comma minus 1 is the correct answer. Okay, so therefore option D is the correct answer. Okay, students, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।